Hi guys, welcome back to the home and homestead. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video of a new kitchen appliance I have. It is the Ninja Professional XL food processor. So if you've watched any of my recent videos on making the zucchini salsa and the zucchini apple pie, as well as homemade pie crust videos, you'll see that I've been using a food processor that I have and have enjoyed using for many years now. But that one is starting to show signs of wear, and I wanted to find a food processor that has a little bit larger chute for putting the food in, and if possible, an adjustable thickness for the slicing attachment. And lo and behold, here is one, and it was on sale, so I thought I'd give it a try. So here we have the Ninja Professional XL food processor. It is a peak 1200 watt food processor, and it comes with a blade for chopping. There's a dough blade, there's an adjustable slicing blade, and reversible shredding discs. Looks like it will be handy for doing food preservation and for various recipes, as well as for making dough and things like that. So let's open up the box and see what we have in here. So it's a 12-cup bowl in the food processor, and the XL chute here has a 3-part section, so it can be a very large chute for putting food down in. So it comes with a quick start guide and a book of recipes and an instruction manual or owner's guide. Alright, so we have everything out of the box, so let's take a little closer look at all the different attachments. So this is a dual blade dough attachment, and it's of hard plastic material. This is a little tower attachment that works with the shredder. So that will just put it and elevate it so that you can shred whatever you like. And on the blade itself it says fine shredder. So when you have it installed this way, this will be for fine. And then on this side it says coarse shredder. So if you want a little larger shred, you'd have this side up. And you'd use this attachment in the food processor. Here is the adjustable slicing disc, and on the bottom here it has S for storage and the safety position, and then there's a series of dots and numbers, and as you click that, the slicing width gets larger. It's a rather thick slice as the largest number, so that should be really handy. Then here's the base. So to place the pitcher, there's a little lock symbol there. You just align the handle near it, and then it clicks into the locked position. This is a 3-part chute with the different size pushing mechanism. So the largest chute it's rather large, and here's the push down device for it. This is the size of the middle, and then there's a real small one. So each size has its own little pushing mechanism. So you just press this button and slide the top. That unlocks it and you can remove it. And inside is a dual blade food processor or chopping blade, and these are metal. So it's a rather large capacity food processor. I'm looking forward to using this. Some of these I've noticed come with a little storage case. This particular one did not. On the website it listed in reviews, people were happy it came with one, but mine did not. But I did see that you can purchase them separately on Amazon, so I may look into getting that. So then it's a little case that holds the 2 discs and the dough blade in that little tower piece. And then that keeps everything compact and together, and then this you would store as is. So everything locks into place there. Has suction cups on the bottom of the base so it won't hop around when you're using it. The bowl is a hard plastic, as is the top. On the top of the base here, it has a chop button, a dough button, a puree button, and a disc button. And then there's a low, high, and a pulse. So the chop, dough, puree, and disc, they're pre-programmed settings. You just press the one button and it has a determined amount of cycles. So for instance, the chop one has a timed pulse and then it pauses to give you a consistent chopping result. Run the program once for a large chop, twice for a small chop, and 3 times for a mince. And then you'd use that with the chopping blade assembly, which is in there right now. That's the metal one. The dough button is ideal for creating a delicious dough from pie to pizza to cookie doughs. Used with dough blade assembly, which is this plastic dual blade one. And then it tells you you can press the dough button to create dough, but if you're going to add things like chocolate chips or raisins, you'll want to put that on after the dough program has run its course, so that you can just pulse in the added things you might have for, cookie dough or something else like that. Puree button, that creates a silky smooth sauce, perfect for hummus. You use the chopping blade assembly again, which is the metal one that's in there right now. You can also, there's another accessory you can purchase separately, which is a nesting work bowl, and it's a little bit of a smaller vessel. So if you're doing just a small batch of hummus or something like that, maybe some pesto, you wouldn't need a huge bowl. You can get that smaller attachment, and that works with that. The disc button here is to slice and shred. So there's a nice quick guide here telling you how to use each of the different attachments and recommendations. All of these pieces are dishwasher safe. So the bowl, the lid, the discs, and that nesting work bowl I just talked about, those are all dishwasher safe. And obviously just the base you would just wipe down as needed. So there you have it. That's the Ninja Professional XL Food Processor. I'm looking forward to using this with some of my food preservation and recipe products I have lined up this year. So watch for me using this new appliance in some upcoming videos and in the future. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.